Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rippling affiliate program for HR automation commissions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into the Rippling affiliate program, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Rippling website URL. Once the page loads, look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Upon successful login, you will be taken to the affiliate dashboard. Here, you can track your performance and manage your affiliate links. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. If you face any issues, check the help section for troubleshooting tips. Once you've accessed your account, you can start promoting Rippling's HR automation services. Remember to log out after each session for security purposes. That concludes the login process for the Rippling affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.